Patapahini Kennedy Agyapong was saying. Patapahini, troublesome man Kennedy Agyapong was saying. Was one part Osofofuo. We used to wear they say fake pastors. Now Kennedy Agyapong now babe, say we you fake. Now we want it. Why would not TV so did ma asiatem? We want it. Beloved, good morning. I hope so here. I'm Israel. It didn't see a prophet Edward Abadale. Ubetimi afreme action man. Nyame ya doma January MPP for koto maba. Mesrawo ye delegator koto aba manyansani. Ubetimi di party na bapa. Don fa party no o ma party ni nya basabasa. Don fa ntokwamba o man ni mu. Nto koto a to number 3. Eyeja oba ene hu konkono koto number 3. Patapahini Kennedy Agyapong was saying. Patapahini, troublesome man Kennedy Agyapong was saying. Was one part Osofofuo. We used to wear they say fake pastors. Now Kennedy Agyapong now babe, say we you fake. Now we want it. Why would not TV so did ma asiatem? We want it. And I bet you say we you fake. Why would Kennedy Agyapong who got na TV so car say anas na kwala journalist no obi obeti ni bia wo mo anche bia na yebo onu tuoku no wo hote se Ghana ye serious country bia nka na be fair suspect anka sa bere wudem a yehwehwe nipa kuroku no ene wo so president but tonight TV so di asofo atem ene wo so wanka na sa wo si fake pastors na wo ka ho asem na wo nim fake pastor wo Kennedy Agyapong wo nim do fake pastor na do onye fake pastor one time I will call and say, you don't have time to go to church. And then, who presented into one in a sorry to say Borega Ponko. One in a sorry say Borega Ponko because who presented. Tama wonya why you say who presented who continue TV to say it's a waste of time to go to church. Sas time on our class and say it's a waste of time to go to church. Now you want to be a president, so you are going to church. You are not serious. You are not serious. What you say? Say, Osofofuo nyina anye papa. No mu yisu o madwene. E na oba be dane wano. Udi Pentecost for Osofofuo atem. Anglican for Osofofuo atem. Roman for Osofofuo atem. Omu nyina omu twen. What you say? Na me nim say MPP delegate no mu nim nyansa. Wona na eye wa adwene say MPP fo nim nyansa. Delegate no mu nim nyansa. To beto aba ama nyansani no matre. E no mu koto aba ama no. Ma me ka se mi nkyerɛ. Delegate for na mama ye mo adwene se mo kwakoto abama Kennedy Agyapong. Listen to me. Adwa safonyo ne Kennedy Agyapong na awoba aye fe no ohene. Na mpanyimfo gu bebi se so okuro mu pete kura we wona me bika. Ba adwa safo se ni kuro mu pete we de o we na mo ebi nka. Se ni kunu be ye president ne ba papa be ye president se bi be ka ne ba no. But adwa safo no nimdie ni watena se hu se Kennedy Agyapong enye presidential material. Na Kennedy Agyapong timi fa MPP ma power. Na Kennedy Agyapong be ye MPP leader or best destroy MPP. Enu ti na adwa safo a wone ne wo bakora no wono otaba wo miachi. Adwa safo ni Kennedy Agyapong a wono otaba wo miachi. Wona wo so kota Kennedy Agyapong achi suanyansa. Na mpanyimfo gu bebi se wo kokuru bi so na uduru kuro no kwanta na ohene wo kuro mu ho no. What say ye bono won kwanta ema bono meme bono a wo se chinchina be kokuru mu ho. Na kromu ohodwa nko ohene ne yebo no san Kennedy Agyapong wo ye papa na wodwa nka oba wone na awoba ebe san ye fid na chi so kwa supporto eye bawomia because we hu nyoma pai wo bawomia mu ene we hu nyoma bone a ewo Kennedy Agyapong obi otimi kwotena FM station kase anasa akwala ayambo no wo chi ne ba bia papa nani so anche bia na boy no obi chi ne bo no tuoku no. Se Ghana ye serious country. Nka baades na Kennedy Agyapong anka ye crown suspect. Wana anka ye main suspect anka sabere wodam anka ye di nasem. Anka ye hwehwe nipa kuroku no. Because wona wo ma orders obi achi na omo no obi achi na wo mo na ancha na ye boy ni tuoku no. Na MPP ni NDC eso so Ghana na aye wo se wo sika aye so wo sika e na wo ye tu no ne nam country wi mu. Contract a wo gi no MPP mu. Contract ni wo kura wo yiri di na ye na wo chi contract no e na wo so anya sika nto kasa anyhow contract bebreba wo gi ne energy sector de na wutimi ye de ma MPP grassroots fo no na wo so mo nto aba ma wo se kogina wo se di wo mo atem ene wo so mo nto aba ma wo koto aba na to number 3 o na nyansa wo digital man o na be transform Ghana ama chete say development country on the Dr. Bawomi akoto aba ma number 3. This is a prophet action. Prophet eduada ba do betuma frame action man. Asofo na mo ne na ma mo ye akwankyere sunsun nnwoma na am tell you enkosi aga. Ba omi edi ka take mantle no ye underground ye sunsun adwuma. Nothing can change that. Me catch no bibie no be sesa. Ba omi be leadi na wini ba omi be wini na be surprise obi a wo Ghana ha. What you see because MPP delegate no munchimi o mundi munyansa to mo koto aba ma nyansani o mo koto aba ma obi alternative so didi maase atem obi alternative so didi judge fo atem obi alternative so kase jeje
abusia 2028 elections na ye kono MPP a present candidate ne ho ye kroje ne ho ninki kan e bia ketaxe she project dream kankan embo ne ho onye corrupt obi a wonye kromfo eno ebetimi aboa MPP ama yetimi a prosecute your campaign here without having issues with defending obi kron no ana as corruption awakọ akoye na nipa mienu a MPP presidential prime minister ekoso yo omatu ehuregi na nim a omusi akan eyeye Dr. Bawumia ene MPP Judas kene Agyapong yenhwe omumienu eba na corruption ho nsem a sani esi fatie na na edikan yentie ensem asofo ekafa Dr. Bawumia ho when it comes to corruption and I think to civil society organizations omo kun ketasehye ene proye omo so ne omo ka efa Dr. Bawumia ho yewia ye behwe kene Agyapong so ono ankasa asem a waka afa ne ho when it comes to corruption.
The ecclesiastical body and the clergymen and all of us here have observed that you are one politician that cannot be tagged with the issue of corruption. Permit me to say that, Your Excellency, it appears you are corruption-free.
Let me say that I also hold the view that on the basis of what I've heard from people, I would want to trust the Vice President's integrity when it comes to matters of corruption. In fact, I have had several occasions of interacting with persons within the MPP who have said that one of the biggest challenges for the Vice President in terms of this presidential or flag bearership race would be the opinion people have of him, that he is quite stingy. He doesn't give. Contractors, approach him, and on the basis of certain terms, the Vice President would not agree.
Yeah, the nickname they have given him around that is nice to see you, good to see you. Yes. They say that's all he's known for, good to see you, because he won't do anything else apart from saying good to see you. And some people are not happy about that he won't do the usual thing.
So Dr. Bawumia has been in public service for decades. Dr. Bawumia, no a research assistant or Bank of Ghana, or be a deputy governor of Bank of Ghana, or a African Development Bank, Juma, or a World Bank, and IMF, near other institutions, and South. And son, our Vice President of the Republic of Ghana for 8 years. Obi aniwa owo man Ghana emu ana say amonone a obetimi ede ne nsansi nebo ede ne nsa kire Dr. Bawumia eso say oye corrupt ana oye kromfo ana se wewia ne taku ana wewia ne tro ana waje bribe da obi antimi nkasa Dr. Bawumia ne hu ni kikan bia onye corrupt en asofo mpo egitum si eso sa wo mo ku ketasehye ne proye kram etimi gina radio su ni TV su edi ne hu adanse that means Dr. Bawumia ne hu esu ne hu ye clean ne hu ye white it say snow. Now yentie kene Agyapong MPP Judas on also ne woka efa ne hu when it comes to corruption.
All rich politicians are thieves. Read my lips. Read my lips. When they are coming, look at their shoes.
All rich politicians
they are thieves.
Does that
include you? I'm a businessman. That's why I say that.
But you're also a politician.
Yeah, so you can add me too. We are all thieves. Yeah, because look, you see.
Yes, you are Chami only Master Boka or Senana, where they was more, where the MPP delegates, Muama Suma. Kennedy Agyapong ankasa na agye atum so wo no oye kromfo na oye kromfo a MPP flag bearership position there efa ho ben okromfo the MPP flag bearership position efa ho ben MPP for muntie ne yie we ono ankasa na agye atum se oye kromfo uyi no as flag bearer of MPP that means so oba be wia MPP esika eda honom MPP sika na oba be wia sika esi e de bo party ne ho bra no uyi kromfo so medi wanimu a obe wia sika no. And you see some people will say Kennedy Agyapong honest or kind of correct. Most are for no margin muha. Most are for no margin muha, and I say you had a very bad parenting, you have a rough upbringing, and our Becca's Asem walking positive now or kind of correct. You see, Obinya could do try TV, so can say me a crown for that means the person doesn't respect you. That is the height of disrespect. Say Obi ebe wiade obi ye kronfo na obenya confidence no obenya that guts ejina wani maka say I me ye kronfo without imuhu bia or ye unapologetic in admitting to criminality. That means nipa no wonfa wonya hwe nipa no ye hardened criminal watoto nani are ono no blatantly obetimi abokro no without looking say will be say and that is dangerous. And you see, if you present somebody like an Agyapong MPP Judas to a 2028 elections now, you have given NDC ammunition to use against us because we on one admit say or you conform and easy for anybody to use against him. And MPP as a party, we cannot defend Agyapong against Hon.Kennedy ne Asem. Against Hon.Kennedy ne admission of criminality. Say what you corrupt or you conform. This is something that you guys need to avoid. Kennedy Agyapong ne hu sem bebre Hon.Kennedy ne Asem ebe collapse the campaign. But Dr. Bawumia there, everybody in Ghana knows onya criminal. Obi anim say onya corrupt. Until we need to present Bawumia so that we can have easy sailing in campaign. Because of 2028, ne yetimi win elections with ease.
All right, Abusia Fanya Michelle Bibia. Abusia, pastors, any prophets no more Ghana no. Omubuefu. Obipa bisa said, "Denti na pastors e buefu." Abusia, Ghana pastors Eddie Betwa Bonti said, Honorable Kennedy okumpre kwe Agyapong. Was anko sorry them last week no eko ka say. Ono enya dia obe pastors no actual because or no see unim fake pastors and unim real pastors and no and a pastors no ebuefu who Kennedy Agyapong and me ube una obe chere the power he fake and the power he real Niama tanta na niama funa wa ye okrum ha wo yiya pastors egu ni masse nyina no yesi paatwa wo sia wo sa ka kire obo se wo de wo paatwa agi se because wo nim the way fake and the way real ebusiafo mo maye nkone nkotie de pastors